So this is the last part. This is probably one of the funner parts though. Sometimes it can be a struggle for some people. I enjoy doing this. It reminds me of jousting. So we have little pockets on these smoke flaps here. Sometimes they can be a little bit tricky, especially when we're in confined spaces where we have windows and whatnot. What we're gonna do is bring this back around. Got a little pocket there. Oh, just about had it. Here we go. Some poles can stay the same length. I cut these ones a little bit shorter so they can be closer, less likely to have a tripping hazard. But these will open up this way. You can open it right up, or if it rains, snows maybe, close it right up. It does get pretty warm in there pretty fast if you do have it closed right up. But if you were to have a fire in here, what you'd want to do is you'd open the back and you lift that up, you open those right up, and what would happen is the wind would ventilate from the back. That way all your smoke's not going out the door, it goes straight up. Ooh. So we can either have them straight back like that. I like having them, although I like having them wide open, when these teepees do have decals on them, or logos, I do try to keep it visible. At this point, what we would do is we'd smudge our dwelling from inside all the way around and outside. And if this is out on the land, what I might do is I might take a knife and take a piece of my hair and I put that on the ground. That way the Tim Hulau, almost as an offering, the Tim Hulau knows through my DNA my intentions for being there. And also me having a knife in the ground is staking my claim, saying this is, I'm claiming this space for now. This is my space. I'm going to do what I need to protect myself, my family, and my loved ones, my property. And it's just kind of a protection thing, but you know, we can always step forward and smudge our area, and same as when we take it down. Smudge our area, try to put it back to its natural state. You know, this is not just our home, but the animals as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves today, learning how to set up a teepee. Again, my name is Will Poitras, and this is WFN's Teepee.